Sustainability. Small actions, big impacts. Sustainability implies development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs, guaranteeing the balance between economic growth, care for the environment and social well-being. With this idea in mind, the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development of the United Nations, approved in 2015 by 193 member countries, makes the SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, a universally adopted commitment. The rapid misappropriation of natural resources, the impacts that human activity has on ecosystems and the biosphere, the high levels of social inequalities and poverty that we face, and the lack of corporate management ethics are enemies of a sustainable development model, capable of ensuring future generations the opportunities and quality of life. Sustainability must be analyzed in a holistic approach in which we consider the environmental, social, and economic dimensions, recognizing that all, together, contribute to lasting prosperity. In the environmental dimension, we must maintain and manage natural resources, especially those that are not renewable or fundamental to life support. To this end, actions must be implemented to minimize negative impacts on air, water, and soil, preserve biodiversity, protect and improve the quality of the environment, and promote responsible production and consumption. In the social dimension, human rights and equal opportunities for all individuals in society must be respected. It is mandatory to promote a fairer society, with social inclusion and equitable distribution of goods with a focus on poverty eradication. The cultural diversity of local communities must also be recognized and respected, avoiding all forms of exploitation. The economic dimension refers to prosperity at different levels of society and the efficiency of economic activity, including the viability of organizations and their activities in generating wealth and promoting decent employment. The reference ESG, based on 3 dimensions, allows to demonstrate the performance of companies in terms of sustainability reporting, the robustness of management, business ethics, compliance with the principles of transparency and legal compliance, the way in which they manage their economic activity and generate their profits, and has an impact on investment and financing decisions. The concept of sustainable development has been adopted by a diverse set of governmental organizations, NGOs, public and private companies, and society in general. In the case of companies, the growing movement of business sustainability resulted in a first phase, in the appearance of new legal requirements, and, later, in the awareness and recognition that the integration of environmental and social aspects in decision-making processes can result in new business opportunities and have a direct impact on the creation of economic value. Corporate sustainability is the ability of a company to manage its activity and create long-term value, while creating social and environmental benefits for its stakeholders. IAPME has developed a set of initiatives to support companies in the development and implementation of sustainability strategies, because we believe that this is the way to increase competitiveness and promote responsible corporate citizenship. We are our own choices, but above all, we are what we do with them. A more sustainable planet in the future depends on the decisions and actions we make in the present.